Hello there, junior scientists. Dr. Rob here with some bendy science, all thanks to Inspiring Australia Queensland, who proudly present the Science Week Queensland program, Glass, More Than Meets the Eye. And as you can see, I've got a glass here. We'll get to that a little bit later on. First, I want you to do a little experiment for me. You might need to run away and grab something, but anyway, all you need is a spoon. It's pretty simple, really, and this is going to be our light bending thing to start with. Take the spoon and have a look at the outside, the curved side. It sort of curves like that. And what you see is, well, you probably see something a little bit like this. It's kind of just a big spread out image. And that's because the light is hitting the back of the spoon, reflecting back and being spread out. It's sort of being bent a little bit, I suppose. Have a look at the other side of the spoon now. So flip it over and you look at the inside of the spoon and whoa, that looks a little bit different. It looks a bit, well, I'm upside down, and if I wave that hand around, I'm also back to front. It looks a bit like this, I guess. If I wave that hand, or I wave that hand. So what's going on? Well, because the spoon curves in like that, the light is kind of getting crossed over and going back in the other direction. It's very trippy to look at. Now, can you bend light with glass? You bet you can. Anyone who wears some reading glasses, they use those to bend the light just a little bit so that it's sharper for their eyes. If you've ever used one of these, well, they're excellent at bending light as well, and they bend the light so that things appear a little bit bigger. Magnifying glass, perfect. Now you can actually create your own thing to bend light and make a really cool, quite strange effect to amaze people. Tell them you can, do some magic, but actually it's science. All you need is a glass full of water, nice round glass like that one, because we're going to use it as a kind of a lens. And then you'll need something like an arrow. It doesn't have to be an arrow. In fact, you can experiment with a few different things. Then watch what happens when that arrow goes behind the water at a certain distance away. Here it goes, it's going, it's going, it's going. Whoa! Mind blown. And watch, it's the same arrow. And it's reversed. What's going on? It's swapping around. Well, the light from the arrow is going to the glass and it's actually getting bent so much that it's swapping sides. So when it comes to your eyes, it's flipped around, a little bit like what's happening on the back of the spoon. Now you can totally play around with the things you can put behind the glass and get swapped around and bent around and do all sorts of fun science with it. Simple, fun, and really interesting.